Ultimate Small Shop Guide Review. Welcome to Ultimate Small Shop Guide Review. For woodworkers who struggle with limited space as well as limited resources, the Ultimate Small Shop Guide has been built for them. It is a complete guide which helps woodworkers set up their fully equipped workshop without having to spend exorbitantly. What is Ultimate Small Shop Guide? The Ultimate Small Shop PDF describes all the common problems in detail that woodworkers have to face or deal with in their daily life. Some common worries such as right tool selection, small space to work, shop layout selection, panic at work if bad tools used, heating, cooling, ventilation problem and many more, can be easily handled. The Ultimate Small Shop ebook offers complete guidance to woodworkers to set up their own workshop. According to the Ultimate Small Shop Guide reviews from its previous users, there are hundreds of pages in the book that describes strategies, advice, instructions, price guides, and other important resources. Ralph's Woodworking Shop Guide could be the leading book available today. Ultimate Small Shop Book Modules. The Ultimate Small Shop ebook has various modules. Each module describes different strategies that will help woodworkers who are setting up a workshop. Module 1, Tool Selection. Module 2, Space Selection. Module 3, Shop Layouts. Module 4, Heating, Cooling, Drying and Dust. Module 5, Electricity, Lighting and Soundproofing. Module 6, Safety. Pros. Some of the advantages of the guide include the user-friendliness of the program. The guide is well written and is easy to understand. This program helps you set up a profitable business in a speedy and cost-efficient manner. Ultimate Small Shop course makes the process of setting up a business relatively more accessible as it contains information that has been tried and tested by an experienced woodworker. This program gives you a lot of options for tools, along with pricing options. Ralph Chapman offers a 100% money-back guarantee in case someone decides that the guide is not for them. If they are not happy or satisfied, Ralph Chapman promises to refund their money within 60 days. Ultimate Small Shop course is worded and is not complex to understand. It has a list of discounted suppliers which are beneficial for merchants just starting in their business. You save a lot more than you spend on the program. Cons: the guide needs a constant internet connection for someone to access it. It is only available online. It is a great guide, and it can be a bit time-consuming to read through it all. To buy Ultimate Small Shop Guide from official website, click the link in description below. Thanks for watching.